I'm Gilbert D. Munyaski. I'm 33 years old.
First, how did you achieve that position?
Achieved the position.
And what's your position again?
I'm
Yeah.
logistics and admin managers Gentle Supreme Philippines Incorporated. That's a distributor and distributor of the trainings of the Wings powder detergents. Are you familiar with the Wings Active Guard powder detergent?
So I'll be back to the question. How did you achieve that position?
I achieved the position because at first we'll start at that very bottom at the rank 5. So if you want to go, if you want to be promoted, no, and achieve, you have to do the very best, no, at least at the position that you are in. For example, if you are being given a position of, for example, in a particular section, like if you are in finished goods or raw materials, so you have to achieve, no, you have to meet the goals, the deadlines, and everything. So in other words, you have to master all your work so that you will be able to have a chance to get promoted.
Next.
So, what is a key to become a successful person?
For me, okay, to become a successful person is just one word, no? That is attitude. Attitude is contagious, no? Attitude is determines what you will become, no? Whether it is a positive or negative situation, it's the attitude that will determine what will be your end.
And what are the advantages of becoming a successful businessman?
The advantages is, first is you have all the you have all the you have all the command, no? If you wanna be successful in everything you do, the first is you have all the command. Because if you cannot all the command, no, you can't do things, no? It's like applying ourselves, no? We have the command in ourselves, no? What we would like to wear, no? What we would like to become, what the food we eat, no? Where will we go? That's the same with business, no? If you are the manager, if you are successful, you have all the things that you want to do.
And what are the disadvantages?
The disadvantage is first is stressful job, no? Very stressful job. You have to manage your stress, no? And you have to set aside the stress, no? The family, the company, or your personal.
Before you entered that company, what are the other companies that you had entered? And what company do you like most and why?
When I was a fresh graduate, I entered in a Century Tuna Corporation. Are you familiar with Century Tuna? So that's my first experience. I handled the raw materials and the finished goods. So I mastered all the labels, the cans, the cartoons, etc. And after that, I've been in a Zwillig Agrochemicals, no? So the Zwillig Pharma, are you familiar also? That is the medicine, the pesticides. So same thing, no? Inventories, logistics, and all the medicines and the stuff. And after that, I entered into this company, Gentle Supreme Philippines Incorporated, no? That is in line with the personal care products, no? The laundry, no? Beauty soaps, dishwashing liquids, powder detergent.
What are your expectations before you entered in that company?
Expectations before entering the company. First is I am expecting to be the best, no? The best of all my colleagues, no? The best in my department, no? And I'm not expecting all of this. I am expecting what can I offer to the company also, because that is a two-way relationship. You have to work for the salary that they have been giving you, no? But salary is just another side of the story. It's how we do it. No? Like the slogan of the GMA, no? Servicium Totoo. So if you apply it in all your doings, no? You have to devote all your service, then everything will follow it. And the salary is just a bonus.
And how did you handle the problems that you encountered?
I handle the problems that I encounter is I perceive things, no? I prioritize, no? The first things first. If you have the problem, so you have to analyze it. Then you have to settle first, no? What's the importance and what's the urgent. So you have to settle first the important then the urgent.
How do you feel about what you achieved?
Of course, happy, no? So if you, for example, if you have a goal and you have achieved it, so you'll be happy. So at least happiness is the thing that you will be gain if you work for hard ito. So like kasabihan na mas matamis yung pinagpaguran, di ba? So parang ganun yung, if you achieve it right away, so there's no challenge. But if you achieve it little by little and with sacrifice, then there's no sweeter the feeling.
Lastly, what are your experiences in managing?
My experience in managing is mainly, but in my area, I'm in logistics and administration manager here in Cebu. The problems, like for example, the operational problems, no? But other than that, the achievement of you have been able to contribute to the company, the sales and the profit. You have to manage all the people. The feeling that you have been able to let your subordinates follow you, no? Not because they are afraid of you, but they have the respect of you. That's the beauty or the essence of being able to manage people